What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of prep work for the Z, per usual. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more of my content when it comes out fresh, hot, and ready. Please leave a thumbs up if you like the video, please, just maybe, yeah, maybe, just please. Anyways, today we're going to be working on the Z. I bought a new shift boot a couple of weeks ago. It was a Mishimoto branded shift boot and pretty much tore within a month. So bought a new one with red stitching. Gonna be putting that on, as well as a new Mishimoto shift knob, as well as putting on a Surikawa. I believe I said it correctly. We're also gonna be doing an oil change. The bumper has not yet gotten back yet. It will be back in about 2 days from now whenever I post this video. But yeah, we're getting ready for the Tennessee meet, and hopefully guys you enjoy this little clip of the Z. I haven't driven it in over 3 weeks, still no bumper, so I had no point. Just been using the daily Mazda. So hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and get you a snack, some popcorn or some chips or whatever you like to eat, and I hope you guys follow along on this journey. So let's go ahead, head outside, and warm up the car. The question now is, will she even start? I ain't driven this car in like 5 ever, so let's see. And like I was telling you guys earlier, no bumper. It's a little wet, so I'm a little scared to see if any water get in my intake. I doubt it will, and I'm not going far. I'm not taking it out on no long distance trips, so yeah, let's go ahead and get it started and let her warm up some, you know? Get in the car. Let's see what's going on here. Uh-oh. Out here pouring. Well, not pouring, it's sprinkling. Be the day that you want to work on something that you don't want it to rain, and it just started raining. It ain't rained for 3 weeks. Oh, let me go ahead and put all this stuff on. Oh, say less. It's gonna rain, bet. Alright. Man, I miss driving this car so much though. On a real note, you come out and drive a Mazda 3 that's not a speed. Dog, that is one slow car. It's great on gas, that's why I bought it, but jeez, oh, it is slow as buns. Man, sad I'm gonna have to put this thing right back. Hopefully the bumper's done before it's time for me to go for this meet. I can put it on, everything's all safe and fastened, because I don't like driving my car in the rain with that intake sitting right out there. So yeah, let's see how this goes. This is my first time bumperless with this intake. Leave a link in below if you guys think I should do my roof, sorry. I'm tired of the tan. I feel like it should be black with some type of dark suede. I really want to go ahead and get my hands onto it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to get these visors and stuff that is tan in here done. I don't want it to be mixed match, so let me know. Comment down below what I should do. Alright, I went ahead and did an oil change. Y'all didn't have to see that. See how much oil was left or wasn't left in the car. Next, gonna go ahead. I'm pretty sure I'm about to get my car dirty, but I'm gonna vacuum it out tomorrow. Go ahead and take this bad boy apart. Get this off. This ugly shift boot that tore within a month. I would highly recommend not buying. But yeah, this shouldn't take too long. This should be very easy. Oh dear, that was supposed to come off with. Please. All right, it came off. Next, I'm gonna pull this guy off right here. Yeehaw. Get this off here. Probably gonna need 2 hands to do this, not gonna lie to you guys. Glad nabbit. Glad nabbit. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys off. We're gonna go ahead and switch it up, man. We're gonna switch it up. Put you on the table. Oh, there you go. Alright, what I got here is a nice shift boot from Amazon. Should last a lot longer than 1 month than the one I had bought. It's sitting right here on the car now. Also, I got my Mishimoto shift knob that I'll be putting on. It's very weighted, so it should feel really nice to drive this car. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Easy stuff to do. All you gotta do is take out the bolts here. 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to be 4, but I didn't put the 4th one. Don't get mad at me, guys. But yeah, put those on. Put the new one on. Put some holes in it so it can hold it a little bit. And that's it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right. Garbage. All right, all done. Next, we just gotta go ahead and put these bad boy on here with this Mishimoto shift knob. So let's go ahead and see how that works. All right, all in there, all set. Put this seat back. Golly. Chevy, no cap. But all in there. Go ahead and start the car up real quick. Make sure everything's all good. I don't have the key. I'll be right back. All right, go ahead, start the car. Nice. Let's make the Mishimoto actually this way. Nice. But we good, man. We are good. Alright, Suikawa is going to be on in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright. Yes, sir. Sir, that's that good stuff right there. And on that, I'm ending this for real. Peace out, y'all. This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come